Hey everyone, and welcome back to CruiseAdventures. Imagine this. You splurged on a balcony cabin, dreaming of private ocean views and sunset cocktails, only to find it's smaller than you expected and offers less privacy than a park bench. Don't worry, because today we re-unlocking the secrets that seasoned cruisers use to transform their balcony from a simple outdoor space into a personal paradise. Let's jump right in with hack number 1, magnetic hooks. Your cabin walls and ceiling are metal, making them a blank canvas for organization. Bring a pack of strong magnetic hooks to hang wet swimsuits, towels, hats, and even a lightweight laundry bag. This instantly frees up floor and chair space, keeping your balcony tidy and your essentials within easy reach. Hack number 2 is all about creating ambience. Bring battery-operated fairy lights. As dusk falls, string these little lights along the railing or around the door. It creates a magical, romantic atmosphere perfect for enjoying a glass of wine. They're lightweight, take up no space in your luggage, and instantly elevate your balcony's vibe after dark. The sound of the ocean is amazing, but sometimes you want your own soundtrack. A small, water-resistant speaker lets you listen to your favorite podcasts, audiobooks, or curated playlists while you soak up the sun, transforming your balcony into a personal retreat. Number 8 is about maximizing your view. Pack a pair of binoculars. It's a tiny tool that adds a touch of freshness. At number 11, we have the sunrise and sunset alarm. Don't just guess when the best light will be. Check the ship's daily planner or a weather app for the exact sunrise and sunset times each day. This lets you use your phone on the balcony without worrying about splashes from a passing shower or an accidental spill. You can still use the touchscreen through the plastic, so you can snap photos or change your music worry-free. Our penultimate hack, number 14, is to bring your own reusable water bottle and cups. Instead of constantly running back inside or relying on flimsy room service glasses, have your own insulated tumbler. It will keep your water cold for hours in the sun and your coffee hot in the morning breeze. It's eco-friendly and convenient. And finally, our number 15 hack. And it's a big one for making the most of your space. Rethink the furniture arrangement. Don't just accept the default layout. The small tables and chairs are usually lightweight. Try moving them around to suit your needs. You might prefer both chairs facing the ocean or the table moved to one side to create more standing room. A simple shift can completely change the flow and feel of the space, making it truly your own. From simple organizational tricks to creating the perfect ambience, these tips will help you maximize every square inch of your personal slice of oceanfront property. Which of these hacks are you excited to try on your next cruise? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cruise Adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly cruising tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy sailing!